Research that will change your world from the University of Calgary. U of C. This is now.
What's happening behind us here today is we are installing seismograph equipment in an underground vault located near Pritis, just southwest of Calgary. This is one of 9 seismograph stations that we're installing around the province for 2 reasons: to record local earthquake activity as well as to record large earthquakes that happen around the world. We're working closely with other researchers at the University of Alberta who also have stations in the central part of the province. One key distinction is that our stations are communicating via the internet in real time. So if an earthquake occurs, we're able to access the data immediately and look at it. So this makes it very useful to government agencies who look at the data on a continuous basis. The work that we're doing here is important because it will inform us in terms of earthquake hazards and earthquake risks, and this is particularly significant with a view towards long-term storage of CO2 in underground geologic repositories. Diamond companies are interested in what's taking place at depths of 100 kilometers or more deep within the Earth's lithosphere. And they have very few techniques available to them that allow them to study those regions. But one of the techniques they can use is through the analysis of data from distant earthquakes. So using methods that are roughly analogous to medical ultrasound imaging, we can produce pictures of what's happening and actually map out these regions. We know that plate tectonics is an engine that drives activity across the planet, so large earthquake, volcanic activity. It shapes mountain belts such as the Rocky Mountains that we see behind us over long periods of time. And we're really just interested in understanding what's driving this, what makes it work. We know some of the story, and understanding what's happening underneath continental plates like this will fill in a lot of gaps in our knowledge.